Biafra Liberation Army have sent a strong message to Nigerian Army and other occupiers of their land. This Biafra Liberation Army go ahead and also say that they are going to wipe everything that come to kill them. He even saying the spirit, say no the fear, say that they see Nigerian Army, when Nigerian Army no they see them. People, welcome back to Balaba G's. If na today na first day wey you dey come across this channel, abeg don't forget to follow us on Facebook and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. As e dey hot, na so we dey bring am. We are going to play the video for you to see where this Biafra Liberation Army dey talk wetin im go do and im say im go do am. As you watch the video, say e don red. I'll play the video for you right now.
Ụmụ Chineke ụtụtụ ọma o. Good morning to the children of Biafra, the children of light, the children of the Most High God. Chukwu Okike Abịama. If you are one of the people that circumcised on the 8 days, know you are the child of the covenant. And if you are circumcised on the 8 days and you are doing good to the land of the Biafra, know you are the son of the soil. Because we have so many children of darkness, so many people that are evil in the land of Biafra. So therefore, this morning, being the second day of August, time now a minute to the hours of 9 a.m. in the land of the holy land of Biafra. Your warrior is here to update you. I want you to know that Chukwu Okike Abịama determined that we shall come, and after us there will be no one like us, because we have come to restore the land of Biafra. No mortal, no human, no man or woman can stop us. I'm here this very morning to tell you that you have nothing to be worried about, because those that come with death into our land shall die in our land. There's no two ways about that. Do not mind my look. I decided that I should face you as you are facing me. But nevertheless, I still need to show you somewhere I normally show you. See the sun? This is the sun. Remember what I said about the sun? This is where all of us come out from. And believe you me, this is the land of Biafra. The sun in the land of Biafra. And no evil will step their foot on the soil of Biafra land and go back alive. They will all die here. If you have been watching my video, you always see the sun. For you to know that I am still in a very particular point. So when these idiotic people come and tell you, say, we don't pursue them, we don't ransack them, and I make a video to you, at the end of the video, you did not see bush, you did not see the sun, know that the Chukwu Okike Abịama have handed over us to them. But if you still see the sun and see us, unless it's the time we move out from this bush, I will still tell you that we are no longer in the bush. We are now pursuing them in their barrack, in their house, in their houses, and anywhere. Then I will go to give you update of where we are. But for now, Chukwukikabiama say we should fortify ourselves in the bush, that we might be breeze, ikuku. They cannot see us. Ask them. They have never seen us. Ask them. It is only us that can see them because they are evil. But they can never see us. Because we are the breeze, the air they breathe. And when they come to end us, we kukuma seize the air. And that is their end. We are the water they drink. And when they come to destroy us, we turn the water into poison. And they can never live to see the next day. We are the light they use in seeing road. And when they come to off us, they can never see road. And their life cease. We are the land they mash the floor, their leg on. And as they are coming with evil, believe you me, the land will swallow them. We swallow them. We go nowhere. This is the land of our ancestors. That day I forget to update you that they came with many native doctors. In their presence, their native doctor fall. You see this thing? It's of four. Is it not white? Is it black? It must be whiter than white and whiter than snow in the land of the living, for the land to fight for you. This is Ofondu. Once your hands is clean in the land of Biafra, no weapon fashioned against you shall prosper. No evil shall touch you. As long as we are fighting for the justice, justice must prevail. This is the land of our forefather that hand over to our father, that hand over to us. We must hand over to our children in a good shape. And we must destroy all the enemies of the land of Biafra. And our children shall inherit this land with joy and happiness. Fulani, Hausa, Yoruba will no longer be seen. Britain present will no longer be here again by the time we finish with them. So therefore, we fear no evil because Chukwukikabiama is our shepherd. Go and tell them that we are waiting for them. We go nowhere. It was since 5 o'clock that our informant gave us information that they just passed their area with 5 armoured tanks and many healers. And see now, we never see their presence. We already prepare and wait for them because they are coming to die. To those who go close, who they close to them, should tell them that they should come and die fast. The ground of Biafra have already opened, waiting.
My people, what do you think about wetin this army wey cover himself e dey inside bush? He say they no go gree o. You don hear everything wey he talk by yourself. So what do you think about this? Do you think that Nigeria army can defeat them, or do you think they will defeat Nigeria army? So leave a comment below. Don't forget to follow this page.